Hey everyone! Welcome back! On a subscriber's request, we're going to dive into an exciting project, building your own NodeMCU Wi-Fi controlled robot car. If you're looking to level up your tech skills and have some fun at the same time, you're in the right place. Let's get started. This little guy is not only fun to make, but you can also control it from your smartphone using Wi-Fi. Stick around to the end for tips on how to get the most out of this project. Before we dive into the build, let's take a quick look at what you'll need. We'll be using a NodeMCU module, L298N motor driver, 2 BODC motors, breadboard, a battery holder, power switch, jumper cables, mounting screws, and of course, some wheels and a chassis. First, we'll mount the DC motors to the chassis. Then we'll wire the motors to the motor driver. This driver will allow the NodeMCU to control the motors by sending signals over Wi-Fi. Next up, let's connect the NodeMCU to the motor driver and set up the power supply. This is a detailed wiring setup list which you can pause the video and check. Now that the hardware is ready, let's move on to the software. We'll be using the Arduino IDE to write the code that will let us control the robot from a web browser. NodeMCU is an amazing microcontroller that makes connecting to Wi-Fi super easy, perfect for controlling the robot remotely. I've also shared the complete code in the description below. All you need to do is upload it to your NodeMCU, and you're good to go. Now is the moment of truth. Once everything's set up, you can control the robot car over Wi-Fi using your smartphone or any device with a web browser and Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi access point of the car and then open the Wii browser. Use the control buttons in browser to control the car. This makes this project simple yet very functional without need of any specific mobile application other than web browser. And just like that, you've built your very own Wi-Fi controlled robot car. This project is a great way to get hands-on experience with electronics and programming. Plus, it's customizable, you can add sensors, cameras, or even upgrade it for autonomous navigation. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future projects. And of course, give the video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might find this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.